man syakri ka bha kamyan bat ka roi ka par ki pat pa NPP Jirang Block kom ka jingai men CM ki Samla puli bat ringkat ke jingat lang MLA ka Jirang uba sasana sotun menta kasngi kala pynkup burom ki Samla ba pas bha haka SSLC examination jang usnam araja apsan tang nakabenta ki tu ki Samla bahab ha omling CNR Block jang ka Jirang constituency la pynkup burom ban ai Khusnam ru yakini ki Samla ba pas bha haka SSLC examination haka jingalang kablalong minta kasnya parish hall ka St. Francis Assisi Bernihard parish ba Rupert Moment como chairman ka Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency bat u MLA ka Karkutta ula shim ya ka benta ko mukongsan bat upa Savio Bala District School Education Officer ka Ribhoy como sumbot kongsan lai men simru ya ka ni ka jing pynkup burom da ka jing don lang hi u MLA ka Jirang uba sustenance sotun ubalay trailang ban ai burom ya ki Samla bat ringkat ka jing don lang ki Samla puli ki kemeki pa ki nohikai ki principal bat ki wei ki riu rang ba
Moscow Higher Secondary School, Borneo. The Moscow Higher Secondary School, Alibagan, Borneo.
Students, right from 2018, after being elected as the MLA of 10 Jirang constituency, and it's through the committee which is helping each other to make this program a success. And in previous years, we used to have the whole constituency at the same time. We have two blocks, Obling Block and Jirang Block. But this time, so many students have successfully succeeded in your
Generation. Then hard power, we talk about America, Western countries. We talk about Russia and the Asian giant country like China. They use the hard power to conquer, to snatch the territory of others. Now we talk about soft power. The global community talk about soft power. What is soft power? As you said, we have unity and diversity. In Riboy district, place like Jirang, constituency like Jirang, we have so many nationality, so many tribes. Our country is so much diverse, but we are united and make us one nation. My dear friends, soft powers is attraction foreign policy. India is known for pluralistic government, unity and diversity. As in pre-independence era, we have our distinguished personages like Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is a person who used Satyagraha